This video is about this Pro 21 tile cutter. It's very easy instruction. It's so easy that this video is only for 2 minutes. So all you have to do is pick up any of these from Home Depot. I happen to pick this Pro 21 by DEP, which I found very useful. I only spent $30 for it, and it was a good buy. Definitely was a good buy. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration to give you an idea what this tool is capable of doing. You see these marks over here? Look, come closer. You see these marks over here? And this is also some kind of mark. So you take a tile, right? So you line it with the mark over here. Can you see this mark? You see this mark right there and this mark to get a straight line. Then you see the blade right there, the circular blade. You press on it, not too much, just enough, firmly. And you just squash it. So once you get that line, you move back about 1.5 inches or ½ inch. You press it down firmly. Nice cut. So, you know, compared to the wet saw, this one saved you time and also the noise. You know, if you were to do this on a wet saw, it'll be loud, noisy, and wet. And then you would burn on your electricity as well. So this one is very manual, very easy, very simple tool. I was gonna almost say an ancient tool, but it might be as well. I mean, you see how I'm cutting it into smaller pieces just to give you a better idea of what it takes to cut. It's a matter of a couple of seconds. So when you're working on a project, you could even do all your measurement on it and mark it. And once you mark it, you just go over the mark and you cut it. Most important thing is make sure you scorch it. That's the whole important thing. Once you get that going, all you have to do is snap it in. I hope you like this video. By the way, don't forget to subscribe.